Okay, so number 21 says, tell whether each flag has rotational symmetry. If yes, determine the angle of rotation in the order. I am not going to walk you through the first two flags. I'll just talk to you about the last flag. One thing I want to mention, though, about all of the flags is that when it's asking for rotational symmetry, it means that whatever, if you say yes and you give the angle of rotation, then what you're saying is that it can actually, whatever you rotate it at, it will look exactly the same. And I do mean exactly the same, including the pattern on the flag, right? So when we're thinking about, for example, this first one, I said I wasn't going to talk about the first one, but here I go. When we're thinking about this first one, the general shape looks like we could rotate it 180 degrees. But if we rotated it 180 degrees, that palm tree would be upside down. That is a problem, okay? So just understand that. And that actually segues us into this third flag, because this is an equilateral triangle, right? So it looks like if that's the case, then shouldn't there be three ways that we could rotate this? And wouldn't each of the ways be like 120 degrees essentially, because it's 360 degrees divided by 3? Yes, except this is what happens. Do you see that we have a star here? Okay, so when we try to rotate the star, notice that on this one, the top part of the star is up against the kind of the middle here. Okay, but then here we have 2 points of the star that are against this side. It's not going to be symmetrical. The star is not, the top of the star when we rotate is not going to be pointed straight up. And so the idea is that the pattern in the flag also has to create perfect symmetry. So watch out for that when you're answering these types of questions.